The first lecture of our Selenium automation testing course. Before jumping into tools and coding, let's first understand what exactly automation testing. So everyone know about the definition of automation testing, but I will explain here one more time. So automation testing means using a software tools. Means we are using a one tools like we are using the Selenium tools to execute the test cases automatically instead of testing manually. So now we need to understand the benefit of automation testing. So automation testing help us to save a time and effort, increase the accuracy and reliability, support a regression and repetitive testing, use the tools like Selenium, APM, Cypress. So how we achieve these benefits, we need to understand these things as well. So in simple terms, what we can say, automation testing is like teaching the computer to test your application on your behalf. So we need to understand also the test script. What is the test script? Test framework, validation, CI/CD integration. So test script is a set of instructions, means pre-write code that simulate the user actions and validate the system behavior. Then we have a test framework. Test framework provide a set of guidelines, best practices, and tool that provide a structure approach to automate the testing. Validations, we have a test engine to validate our test cases like expected versus actual results with a detailed reporting. Then we have CI/CD integration. CI/CD integration help us to get the faster feedback and faster executions so that we can save time and efforts. So we have a faster execution, parallel testing, cost effective. Then we have increased accuracy and reliability. How we can achieve? So automated test eliminate the human error and provide the consistent repeatable results every time they execute. So zero human error, precise validation, detailed reporting, early bug detection, and consistent quality. We can achieve increase the accuracy and reliability. Support regression and repetitive testing, means we have a regression suite, continuous testing, smoke testing, data driven testing, cross browser testing, API testing. Those things we will understand in upcoming lecture, but I will explain you in within a few points. So regression suite we need to understand. So regression suite is automatically verify all existing feature after every code updates. Then we have continuous testing. Continuous testing means integrate with a CI/CD pipeline. Whatever the test cases we have, we are integrating with a CI/CD pipeline for automated testing on every commit. Once we push the code from GitHub, Git Jenkins trigger that GitHub code and automatically execute the test cases, and it generate the detailed test reports. Once the test runs successfully, it's happen on every commits. So then we have to understand the smoke testing. Means what is the smoke testing? Quick validation of a critical functionality before detailed testing begins. So then we have a data driven testing, runs the same test with a multiple data set automatically. Means we have a same test cases, but we want to validate the multiple data, means username and password. We have credentials, username and password. We want to validate the login details or login credentials. Then data driven testing helps us, right? Then we have cross browser testing. Suppose we have an application like Amazon website is a one web application. I want to test that application on a different browser, means on a Chrome browser and Microsoft browser. It means cross browser testing. Then we have API testing. API testing means validate the backend service and integration without UI dependencies. So in the market, what tools are popular? So popular automation tools are Selenium, APM, Cypress, TestNG, Playwright, and Robot framework. So tool selection is based on the application time, team expertise, project requirement, budget. Many teams use the multiple tool for comprehensive coverage. So that's all about the automation testings. So in upcoming lecture, we will see the difference between the automation testing and manual testing.